Today we're learning the proper way to hold your yarn and crochet hook. This is fundamental to developing good crochet technique. Let's get started. Take the yarn in your left hand, leaving about 5 centimeters, 2 inches, of tail. Wrap the yarn clockwise once around your left pinky finger. Guide the yarn between your middle finger and index finger. Drape the yarn over your left index finger. Pinch the yarn tail between your thumb and middle finger. This completes the left hand yarn hold. Take the crochet hook in your right hand. 7. Hold it as you would a pencil, with the hook facing towards you. 8. Position your hand so that you can work the hook between your left thumb and index finger. Remember, the crochet hook will work in the space between your left thumb and index finger as you crochet. Congratulations! You've learned the fundamental hand positions for crochet.